Hi friends, welcome to Jesus classes. Today RMO session 5. In last session part 4 I explained Mendel's theorem. Today I explain Apollonius theorem. Now Apollonius theorem. Apollonius theorem, if we take a triangle ABC and it has a length, it has a height h, okay, it has a height h, and it have a median. This is the perpendicular distance, and this is the median which divides these two parts. Which divides BC equally into two equal parts. We will take this as D and this as E. We need to prove that. To prove AB square plus AC square, AB square plus AC square, AB square and AC square, AB square plus AC square is equals to 2 into BD square into AD square, BD square into AD square. BD square into BD square plus AD square, sorry, BD square plus AD square. So here this is a, see, triangle AEB is a right angle triangle, E, and AED is a right angle triangle, and AEC is a right angle triangle. So wait, I'll drop this. I write here RTP AB square plus AC square is equals to 2 into length of half of BC, it's BD square and square of the median AD square. We can prove this with a length of the median also. That length of the median we will discuss after sine rule and cosine rule. Okay. Now in triangle, AEB, AB square is equals to AE square plus BE square. Wait. AE square plus BE square. AB square is equals to A square plus B square by using Pythagoras theorem. And this one, A in triangle AED in triangle AED, AD square is equals to AE square plus ED square. AD square is equals to AE square plus DE square. And in triangle AEC, in triangle AEC, in triangle AEC, AC square is equals to AE square plus EC square. We will take this equation 1, equation 2 and equation 3. I love this part. See, we got equation 1, AB square is equals to AE square plus BE square. This is equation 1, and AD square is equals to AE square plus DE square. This is equation 2. And AC square is equals to AE square plus CE square. This is equation 3. Okay, now we'll add AE square. We'll add equation 1 and add equation 3. Adding 1 and 3. AB square plus AC square is equals to 2AE square. AE square plus AE square, 2AE square. 2AE square plus BE square plus CE square. See, AB square plus AC square we got that AB square plus AC square is equals to 2AE square. 2AE square. 2AE square. A square is multiplied 2 times and B square. See, B square plus C square plus C square. AB square plus we got by adding these equation 1 and equation 3. AB square plus A square is equals to 2A square plus B square plus C square. B square plus C square. Okay. So 2A square plus B square plus C square. See, B square. B square means B square is equals to BD square minus DE square. See, BD minus DE is this part. So, B square is equals to BD square minus DE square. And this CE square is equals to ED square plus DC square. And see, CE square is equals to ED square plus DC square. And see, this is the median. D is the median. D is the midpoint of BC. AD is median and D is the midpoint of BC. So BD is equals to DC. BD is equals to DC. We can substitute this part, this in there. We can write anything. See, this statement is we need to prove AB square plus AC square is equals to 2 into half of BC, half of anything. If we take this as, if we take on this AC median and height, we can take that side AC by 2 we can take. So BD square, it means that BD square or DC square we can take this because these two are equal, plus AD square. So we will substitute BD in place of DC. Okay, so 2A square plus BD square BD minus DE, sorry, BD minus DE whole square. BD minus DE whole square. Sorry for that small mistake. BD minus DE whole square plus ED plus DC. ED plus DC whole square. So see, is equals to AB square plus AC square is equals to 2AE square. 2AE square plus, see, this BD square and BD square. BD square plus DE square. This BD minus DE whole square, I am doing simplification of that. 2 BD into DE. And here DE and ED both are same, so I'll do it reverse and I'll write DE square plus BD square, because this is DC is equals to BC, substituting that value. So BD into DE. So these two will get cancelled, and 2AE square plus 2 BD square plus 2 DE square Is it okay? It's okay. Up to here, clear, up to here. And now 2, see, 2AE square plus 2BD square plus 2BD square plus 2DE square. So 2BD square plus 2, we'll take 2 in common, and 2 into AE square plus DE square. So here AE square plus DE square, AE square plus DE square is equals to AD square. So AB square plus AC square, this is equal to AD square. So AEB square plus AC square is equals to 2 into BD square plus AD square. AB square plus BC square is equals to 2 into half of length of the other side, rather than this 2, half of length of the other side plus the square of half of length of other side than this 2, other side rather than this 2, plus square of median is the Apollonius theorem. Hence proved. See, we need to get this, and we got that. AB square plus AC square is equals to 2 into BC square plus AD square, BD square plus AD square. This is Apollonius theorem. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my explanation, kindly subscribe to my channel.